And welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'll try to do the speed test comparison between the Snapdragon 888 processor versus Dimensity 1200. The Snapdragon processor phone which I'm having right now is a Mi11 device which has got the Snapdragon 888 chipset, whereas the Realme X7 Max has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. So let's see friends, which phone will be performing the really great in terms of opening these 10 games faster, and which will be having the better kind of RAM management in the background. That is what I'm going to concentrate. So if you look at these games, so I did try to use a couple of heavy games on the top and a couple of small games in the bottom. That is how I did differentiate between the games. So let's see which phone will be able to handle the better kind of multitasking and faster app opening and closing response. That is what I'll try to see in this video. As you can clearly see friends, this is the exact variant I'm trying to use, Mi11 and the Realme X7 Max with the 8GB RAM variant, and even the Mi11 has got I think close to 8GB RAM variant only, as you can see friends, perfectly, and both phones are 8GB RAM perfectly alright. And now let me try to quickly show you exact Wi-Fi connection what I'm trying to connect, and same Wi-Fi network I connected in both phones. As you can see friends, same Wi-Fi network I connected, 8576. So let's see which phone will be able to open faster in terms of the game. So let me need to close all the background games. So everything is closed. As you can clearly see friends, I'm trying to close everything. So right now there is no application and no game open in the both phones. You can clearly see here, as you can see friends. So now let's get started. I need to change the background live wallpaper as well. Some people even they do say this kind of live wallpaper using might cause. So let me need to change the wallpaper. So right now the wallpaper is also changed. Now applications in the background, as you can clearly see friends. So now let's get started. Which phone will be able to open these games? And this is my first time doing the Dimensity 1200 versus the Snapdragon 888 chipset. So let me to quickly zoom in a little bit close up so you will be able to see it properly. Which phone is opening faster and closing? Let me to quickly start the test first with the S4's game. So let's see friends which phone will be able to open faster. I think we did see first in the Mi11 device a little bit faster we did get this opening. Let me to close and let me to open the next game, which is a Call of Duty game. Let's see in the Call of Duty which phone, Snapdragon 888 or the Dimensity 1200. So I'm just waiting for the login page where you will get the everything. I think it's, as you can see friends, right now we did get boot up first in the Mi11 device with the Snapdragon 888 chipset. As you can see, first it did open in the Mi11 device, and next it's opening in the Realme X7 Max. So I'll try to keep this Call of Duty game in the background. Let me to go back to the home page and let me to open the next game, which is a FIFA game. So let's see which phone will be able to open faster the FIFA. I want to see this kind of logo. So Snapdragon 888 chipset is quick. As you can see friends, clearly the Snapdragon 888 in the Mi11 device did open faster, and I'm trying to hit the touch. As you can see, this is a big difference. And let me go back to the home page, and next is a Pubg. Let's see the Pubg game, which phone will be able to open faster the Pubg. So you can expect little bit kind of difference with, but not much huge difference. Right now I'm seeing only little bit kind of difference, and right now I think both phones are opening kind of same to each other. Let's see the home page which will be able to display first. As you can see, same thing is happening right now. Both are kind of close to each other in terms of this thing. I think slightly the Realme X1 slightly did faster than the Mi11 device, little bit, but not much. Let me quickly close this Pubg game. So till now we did open I think 4 games in the background. As you can clearly see friends, 4 games are in the background, so you can clearly see the difference. So now let me to open the next game, which is a Genshin Impact. So let's see friends, Genshin Impact, which phone will be able to open faster the game. I think the Realme X7 Max did open faster, as you can clearly see friends, the Realme X7 Max, and next the Snapdragon 888 is trying to open. And let's see what will happen next. Both they did ask for login page, and both I did click at same time, and both are trying to load. You can see the loading times as well, how much. And both phones I did update the Genshin Impact game completely. So right now it's preparing to load the data. So let's see friends, first I got the message touch to begin in this Mi11 device. Later I got in the Realme X7 Max touch to begin. So now it's kind of loading. As you can see the loading speed, how much it is, little bit faster than the Realme X7 Max, little bit, the Mi11 device. So let's see friends, which phone will be able to display the game. For Realme X7 Max did open the game faster than the Mi11 device. You can clearly see the difference. And right now by the time that, let's check the temperatures, 37 degrees and 36 degrees. I just thought of checking the temperatures as well, and it got open in both phones right now, as you can clearly see. Let me go back to the main page. So now let's try with the Subway Surf game. So let's see Subway Surf whether this will be opening faster in the Snapdragon or not. I think the Snapdragon is quite opening faster. Yes, the Snapdragon did open the game faster than the Realme X7 Max. Let me need to go back to the home screen. Next game is the Candy Crush. Let's see Candy Crush game, which phone will be able to open. So both phones did open the Candy Crush game faster as well. There is not much difference in terms of the Candy Crush opening. Let's see next game is a Getaway 2. So Getaway 2, Realme X7 Max did open the game faster, as you can see. Now Mi11 is taking some time to open a little bit. So next app is a Temple Run. So let's see friends, the Temple Run, which phone will be able to open faster. The first, I think the Realme X7 Max I got. I think now both phones are coming the same kind of animation and slightly faster in the Realme X7 Max, little bit, but not much, as you can see friends clearly. And final game, which is a Minecraft. Let's see the Minecraft, which phone Dimensity or the Snapdragon. I think the Realme X7 Max did open the Minecraft first, as you can clearly see friends. Now let's check how many games will be in the memory. That is what I'm going to see right now. Let me need to go back one by one. So Temple Run is in the memory, as you can clearly see. The reason why I'm going back is that some of the users, they did ask me to go back to test the RAM management from the last application to the first application. So before I used to test from the first to last, but now I'm trying to test from the last to first. So let's see friends, in this way if I try to do, what will happen. Let's see the Getaway 2. So both phones did have in the game in the RAM management, no issues. Next is Candy Crush. Candy Crush, I think slightly faster in the Realme X7 Max, little bit, but not first. So Subway Surf, both are, yes, both are in the memory. And Genshin Impact is a big game. I think I did not tap on the Realme X7 Max, sorry for that friends. I think the Genshin Impact directly loaded in this Mi11 device, as you can see friends clearly. In the Realme X7 Max, it did not load. You can clearly see friends the difference. So next game is the Pubg. Let's see the Pubg game. So Pubg also, it did not get closed in the Mi11 device, so you can clearly see that. And whereas the Realme X7 Max, the game got closed. You can see friends. Let me need to go back. And next is a FIFA game. I think both phones are closed. Both phones are closed, as you can clearly see the FIFA game. So that's not an issue. Let me need to go back. And next is Call of Duty. Call of Duty as well, both phones did close, so that's not an issue. Next is final game is Ace Force. Let's see. Even Ace Force also got closed in both phones. So friends, the final winner is the Mi11 device. Little bit points in terms of storing some of the games in the background as a RAM management. But overall, in terms of the opening the games, I did not find much difference. Usually, it's really shocking. So I did find sometimes the Realme X7 Max is really doing its best, and sometimes the Snapdragon 888. So these are just a gaming comparison, friends. I'll try to include the applications as well, which we use normally every day. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. Maybe I'll try to upload tomorrow as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.